Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can unblock someone on WhatsApp. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your WhatsApp app, and if you can find that contact here on the chats, for me this one I blocked just recently. You can click on this one, the last one. You blocked this contact. Tap to unblock. If you tap here, you can unblock it by tapping here. But let's say you can't find that person here on the chat. It's easy. Just go to the top right corner and click on those three dots. After that, click settings. Now go to privacy and scroll down until you see blocked contact. Blocked contacts. Click on it, and this is that person, as you can see here. Click on it, then click on unblock Mustafa. And that's it. Mustafa has been unblocked. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.